to shooting the intro after we already did it because I realized it was very boring. I didn't have the energy and the excitement yet, but now I'm pumped. Yeah, everybody in that neighborhood just heard me yell pumped. We are back out on the bike and it's phenomenal. Oh, I missed it. No, do you like the new helmet? We're gonna go up to the dam where I shot the I went chasing waterfalls video. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain again all day. So I have been nonstop just sitting around the house waiting for this rain to go away. And it's finally gone, at least for one day, where I can get out and make a video for you guys. I hate not being able to do them, but it's looking great out here. It feels good out here. A little bit of too much humidity for my taste. Is it nice to actually see my face while I'm riding and actually see my lips moving? So it's, you know, it's like I'm actually talking to you and it's not some voiceover. I like getting the actual breeze. I don't like the bugs. Getting the breeze from this. Because obviously a motorcycle helmet ain't meant for that. It's nice. On your left. I was trying to not scare her and give her a heads up that I was coming. I'm really, really hoping for high water at the dam. We are, as in the movie Home, with the booth.
Rejoice, humans people, the boob are arrived.
Or whatever it says. I don't remember. So, but we're walking it down because, you know, we don't have our off-road tires anymore. So we have to walk the bike in this time. But as you can see, the water is really up. So we should get some nice shots out here. We have to be very, very careful. Like all this down here. Oh, there's a snake right there. We gotta watch out for those. All right, here we go, ready? This is what it's all about right here. And we're not gonna be able to get up in there this time. This is what it usually looks like when we've had rain. Cold right now. Like we can't even get up there. You know what? We're doing it. We're gonna try bush. We're gonna try to get up here some way, shape, or form. Because this is just stunning. Water drop. Don't do what I'm doing right now. There's a dragonfly on top of the camera. I see you almost every week, man. All right. Like it, seeing a lot of bikers out today. but I'm the only one out here with a camera. But anyways, thank you for stopping by my video. It means the world to me that you clicked on it and that you gave me a chance. And there's the police up here. We're just gonna sit here and wait for them to go by. That's what we get. That's why the Greenway is safe here. And there's the car that I now have to jump in to get back home instead of just riding my bike like I wanted to. But again, thank you for tuning into the video. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you on the next one, and hope you hit that subscribe button. And even if you don't want to subscribe, hit the like button for me, because it helps, you know, other people see my videos more. We'll see you on the next one.